What if we built a social VR game from scratch and you decide what goes in? Welcome to the first episode of my brand new series where we will build a social VR game together. My name is Tevfik. I'm a VR developer and founder who has shipped multiple VR titles in the past. I'm also currently working as a mentor in the Meta Horizon Start program. In this series, I want to use everything I learned about social VR game development to build something incredible with the community. So let's get started. Alright, in this video, I want to announce my new community-driven social VR game, Baby VR. And I also want to explain how I approach this project using 4 principles, 4 steps. You can apply these exact steps when you are starting your own VR projects. And the first step is the ideation, the spark. When we start a new project, the first thing we need is a spark, an idea that is exciting enough to actually force us to start building. And my idea was Baby VR. What is Baby VR? Baby VR is a social VR game that we will develop in YouTube series. We will build this together and I want you to be really active on this. But why babies? Because babies are naturally hilarious in VR. Long arms make locomotion very relatable and tiny legs create instant comedy. And as you know, social VR is exploding right now in the Meta Horizon store. So it is the best time to build a social VR game and we will learn together how to do this. The second step is validation. When I have an idea, the first thing I do is to check if someone already made something similar. Basically, I check the rivals first. And when it comes to Baby VR, I think we are clear to go. There is no directly similar game in the store right now, so we are good to move forward. So the third step is forever-updatable test. When you finally have a project idea, you should ask one very important question. Can I update this like forever? If the answer is yes, that's a strong project. And when it comes to Baby VR, the answer is yes. We can add new toys, new maps, and new baby cosmetics. And the final step, which is the realistic scope. Now we come to the most important part, the scope. Let's be real, we cannot build Baby VR all at once. So instead, we built one tiny slice of the game. And the first version is called MVP. The minimum viable product. You can also call this as a vertical slice, different names but the same idea. So it should be small enough that you can build it very fast. And if you build it in a weekend, that's great. If not, it should definitely not take months. For Baby VR, the first vertical slice will be public lobby with baby characters using Gorilla Tag locomotion. So we will build this using Unity and later in the series we will add multiplayer using Photon Fusion, which I think is one of the best networking stacks for VR games currently. But for now, the focus is simple. Build one small thing that works step by step. So here is the fun part. You are not just watching this series. You are building Baby VR with me. Starting today, the community decides the first features. And we will start with the game mode. Alright, community choice 1. Which game mode should I build first? Baby crawl tag, toy hunt, sandbox chaos, or something totally new? Comment below and tell me. And community choice 2. What baby items should we add first? A rattle throw, milk bottle boost, a rubber duck toss, a dirty diaper, or should we add something even sillier? If you have a funny baby item idea, drop in the comments. I might regret this, but I will build the most upvoted one. And the community choice 3. What should be the first map? Pastel playground, daycare center, giant bathroom, or something wild. So what happens next? I will pick the top voted ideas and we will literally build them together in Unity, step by step, together. And yes, your name will show up in the real game next to your idea. This makes the end of the first video of the series where we will build a social VR game together. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Be sure to comment below and let's build a social VR game together. Bye bye.